How to create a meeting in Google Meet. This tutorial shows you how to start an instant meeting and share the link with others on your Android device. First, open the Google Meet app on your Android device. After that, tap on the New Meeting button at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, a list of options will appear. Tap on Create a Meeting Link to generate an instant meeting. At this point, a pop-up will appear showing your unique meeting link along with two options, copy and join. In the next step, tap on Copy to save the meeting link to your clipboard so you can share it with others later. Following this, tap on Join to enter the meeting room. Once done, you'll be taken to a preview screen where you can adjust your camera and mic settings before entering. From here, make sure your camera and mic are set up the way you want them. At this stage, tap on Join Meeting to officially enter the meeting room. After this, go to any messaging app like WhatsApp or Messenger and paste a copied link to share it with the people you want to invite. Finally, once they tap on the link, they'll be taken directly to your meeting and you can let them in from the waiting room. And that's it. If this Google Meet guide helped you create and share a meeting, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.